welcome to ITAC, the program where we take the biggest tech trends and simplify them in a way that is relatable and easy to understand. I'm your girl favorite Taro, and let's delve into it already.
In the heart of Ondo State and Nigeria, there is a place where innovation thrives and dreams take flight. Welcome to Information Technology's hub and signature. At ITAC, we're more than just a technology hub. We're a nurturing and synergistic community that fosters the creation and support of information technology products and services. Here, people from all walks of life come together to gain digital skills and access top-notch infrastructure, turning their ideas into successful digital ventures. Entrepreneurs find a home at ITAC, where they can transform their ideas into successful digital ventures. With the support of our vibrant community, we strive to establish an ecosystem that nurtures creativity, collaboration, and entrepreneurship, allowing individuals to flourish and make a meaningful, long-lasting difference. At ITAC, we embrace the convergence of technology, creativity, and business, fueling innovation and driving digital transformation. Our commitment to excellence, innovation, and partnership supports organizations and individuals in realizing their vision of making a lasting impact on the digital landscape. Join us at Information Technology Hub and Synergy, where innovation knows no bounds and dreams become reality.
Welcome back. The topic for today is cloud computing, and as you all know, everything is now digital. Your apps are no more stored in devices. Your files, everything is now online, making it easier and accessible anywhere in the world. So right now, let's actually expatiate on what cloud computing is.
Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet, with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer-facing web applications. For example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop more personalized treatments for patients. Financial services companies are using the cloud to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. And video game makers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. With cloud computing, your business can become more agile, reduce costs, instantly scale, and deploy globally in minutes. Cloud computing gives you instant access to a broad range of technologies so you can innovate faster and build nearly anything you can imagine. From infrastructure services such as compute, storage, and databases, to Internet of Things, machine learning, data analytics, and much more. You can deploy technology services in a matter of minutes and get from idea to implementation several orders of magnitude faster than before. This gives you the freedom to experiment and test new ideas to differentiate customer experiences and transform your business, such as adding machine learning and intelligence to your applications in order to personalize experiences for your customers and improve their engagement. You don't need to make large upfront investments in hardware and overpay for capacity you don't use. Instead, you can trade capital expense for variable expense and only pay for IT as you consume it. With cloud computing, you access resources from the cloud in real time, as they're needed. You can scale these resources up and down to grow or shrink capacity instantly as your business needs change. Cloud computing also makes it easy to expand to new regions and deploy globally in minutes. For example, Amazon Web Services has infrastructure all over the world, so you're able to deploy your application in multiple physical locations in just a few clicks. Putting applications in closer proximity to end users reduces latency and improves their experience. No matter your location, size, or industry, the cloud frees you from managing infrastructure and data centers, so you can focus on what matters most to your business.
Imagine you're the owner of a small software development firm and you want to scale your business up. However, a small team size, the unpredictability of demand, and limited resources are roadblocks for this expansion. That's when you hear about cloud computing. But before investing money into it, you decide to draw up the differences between on-premise and cloud-based computing to make a better decision. When it comes to scalability, you pay more for an on-premise setup and get lesser options too. Once you've scaled up, it is difficult to scale down and often leads to heavy losses in terms of infrastructure and maintenance costs. Cloud computing, on the other hand, allows you to pay only for how much you use, with much easier and faster provisions for scaling up or down. Next, let's talk about server storage. On-premise systems need a lot of space for their servers, notwithstanding the power and maintenance hassles that come with them. On the other hand, cloud computing solutions are offered by cloud service providers who manage and maintain the servers, saving you both money and space. Then we have data security. On-premise systems offer less data security, thanks to a complicated combination of physical and traditional IT security measures, whereas cloud computing systems offer much better security and lets you avoid having to constantly monitor and manage security protocols. In the event that a data loss does occur, the chance for data recovery with on-premise setups are very small. In contrast, cloud computing systems have robust disaster recovery measures in place to ensure faster and easier data recovery. Finally, we have maintenance. On-premises systems also require additional teams for hardware and software maintenance, loading up the costs by a considerable degree. Cloud computing systems, on the other hand, are maintained by the cloud service providers, reducing your costs and resource allocation substantially. So now, thinking that cloud computing is a better option, you decide to take a closer look at what exactly cloud computing is. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of on-demand computing services over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. In simpler words, rather than managing files and services on a local storage device, you'll be doing the same over the internet in a cost-efficient manner. Cloud computing has two types of models: deployment model and service model. There are three types of deployment models: public, private, and hybrid cloud. Imagine you're traveling to work. You've got three options to choose from. 1. You have buses, which represent public clouds. In this case, the cloud infrastructure is available to the public over the internet. These are owned by cloud service providers. 2. Then you have the option of using your own car. This represents the private cloud. With the private cloud, the cloud infrastructure is exclusively operated by a single organization. This can be managed by the organization or a third party. And finally, you have the option to hail a cab. This represents the hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is a combination of the functionalities of both public and private clouds. Next, let's have a look at the service models. There are three major service models available: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Compared to on-premise models, where you'll need to manage and maintain every component, including applications, data, virtualization, and middleware, cloud computing service models are hassle-free. IaaS refers to infrastructure as a service. It is a cloud service model where users get access to basic computing infrastructure. They are commonly used by IT administrators. If your organization requires resources like storage or virtual machines, IaaS is the model for you. You'll only have to manage the data, runtime, middleware, applications, and the OS, while the rest is handled by the cloud providers. Next, we have PaaS. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, provides cloud platforms and runtime environments for developing, testing, and managing applications. This service model enables users to deploy applications without the need to acquire, manage, and maintain the related architecture. If your organization is in need of a platform for creating software applications, PaaS is the model for you. PaaS only requires you to handle the applications and the data. The rest of the components like runtime, middleware, operating systems, servers, storage, and others are handled by the cloud service providers. And finally, we have SaaS. SaaS, or Software as a Service, involves cloud services for hosting and managing your software applications. Software and hardware requirements are satisfied by the vendors, so you don't have to manage any of those aspects of the solution. If you'd rather not worry about the hassles of owning any IT equipment, the SaaS model would be the one to go with. With SaaS, the cloud service provider handles all components of the solution required by the organization. Coming back to cloud computing, some of the most popular cloud computing services in the market are AWS or Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Want to learn more about them and how they differ from each other? Click on the top right corner for an analysis of how these service platforms are different from each other.
Alright, welcome to Tech in View, the segment that breaks today's technology into simple units, whereby it's very easy for all of us to understand. Trust me, you are at the right place. Please sit tight and don't go nowhere.
There are many great AI personal assistants available today, but they're all pretty much made for everyone, except for you. So today I'll show you the top 5 AI personal assistants that are custom made for individuals like you and me. And the best part is that some of them are completely free. Let's get started. No. 5. Gemini. This is an AI assistant designed for people who live in the Google ecosystem. It works with all your Google services such as Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, allowing you to manage your schedule, draft emails, and even generate ideas using large language models. What sets Gemini apart from other Google tools like Bard or Google Assistant is that it has access to all your personal data in one place while keeping it private and secure. You can ask it to summarize key information from your Drive documents or suggest topics for your next video based on your YouTube watch history. Plus, since it's still in beta, you can try it out for free before they start charging for it. Next up is Microsoft Copilot. If you're deeply entrenched in the Microsoft ecosystem, then this AI assistant will be your best friend. It seamlessly integrates with Microsoft 365, allowing you to compose emails in Outlook, create presentations in PowerPoint, and even generate content for your next post in Word, just like Gemini. It leverages the power of large language models to make your life easier and more productive. You can ask it to draft complex formulas in Excel or help you write code in Visual Studio. In fact, it can even connect to your GitHub account and generate entire projects based on your requirements. Now, while it's not free, it does offer a free trial so you can test it out before committing to a plan. Number 3 on our list is none other than ChatGPT. It's one of the most popular AI chatbots out there. It has a lot of great features that make it perfect for individuals. First off, it's completely free to use, with a limited number of messages per day. Secondly, you can use it to generate your own custom GPT, which can be tailored to your specific needs. For example, you could create a GPT that helps you with coding in your preferred programming language, or one that assists you in writing in a particular style, like Shakespearean English. Additionally, there are countless prompts available online that can help you get the most out of ChatGPT. From generating ideas for your next vacation spot to creating a workout plan based on your fitness goals, let's talk about Otter AI, which is an amazing tool for anyone who attends a lot of meetings or interviews. It's an AI-powered note-taking app that can record, transcribe, and analyze your meetings in real time. The app's intelligent transcription feature ensures that every word is accurately captured, even in noisy environments. Once the meeting is over, you can easily share the notes with your colleagues or clients. What sets Otter apart from other note-taking apps is its ability to analyze the content and provide valuable insights. You can use it to identify action items, create summaries, and even generate ideas. It's also a great tool for self-reflection, as it can help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Finally, we have a tool called Motion. Describe. This is an AI-powered video generation tool that allows you to create professional-looking videos with just a few clicks. It's perfect for individuals who want to create engaging content for social media, personal branding, or even education. With Motion, Describe you can generate videos from any text-based prompt, making it easy to create videos on virtually any topic. The Platform's library of templates and stock footage also makes it simple to create high-quality videos, even if you do and have any video editing experience. Moreover, it offers advanced customization options allowing you to adjust the video's length, background music, and even voiceovers. And that's our list of the top 5 AI personal assistants that are custom-made for individuals. Whether you need help managing your workload, brainstorming ideas, or even creating videos, these tools have got you covered. So why wait? Try them out today and see how they can make your life easier and more productive.
This is really a momentous gathering that affirms our conviction in the creative sector.
So storytelling that's very profound begins from a place of originality.
In 2025, our campus is also identified with the Ambassador Bridge that we shot here in Kano. Was best Nollywood film in the UK, best Nollywood film in the US, best Nollywood film in Canada.
In the heart of Ondo State and Nigeria, there is a place where innovation thrives and dreams take flight. Welcome to Information Technology's hub and signature. At ITAC, we're more than just a technology hub. We're a nurturing and synergistic community that fosters the creation and support of information technology products and services. Here, people from all walks of life come together to gain digital skills and access top-notch infrastructure, turning their ideas into successful digital ventures. Entrepreneurs find a home at ITAC, where they can transform their ideas into successful digital ventures. With the support of our vibrant community, we strive to establish an ecosystem that nurtures creativity, collaboration, and entrepreneurship, allowing individuals to flourish and make a meaningful, long-lasting difference. At ITAC, we embrace the convergence of technology, creativity, and business, fueling innovation and driving digital transformation. Our commitment to excellence, innovation, and partnership supports organizations and individuals in realizing their vision of making a lasting impact on the digital landscape. Join us at Information Technology Hub and Synergy, where innovation knows no bounds and dreams become reality.
That app you think you don't need on your phone, trust me, we are here to tell you that you need that app on your mobile devices. Welcome to the App of the Week segment. Let's go to it already. Hope you learned something new and are going to apply it to your everyday lives. Thank you so much for being with us. To this very moment, I'm your girl favorite. Till I come your way again. Be blessed.